I'm Shreyas and this is Smartphones Corner. Now I'm going to unbox the Samsung Galaxy J4, which is a Dubai model, and this is a new phone of Samsung of 2018, and this gives some specs like Super AMOLED screen, 13MP rear camera, 5MP front LED flash, 4G quad-core processor, 5.5-inch display, and this it is Google variant, guys. Let's open the box, and it comes like this. Yes, here's the device, guys, and it's the box J4, and it's it here, guys. It's the device. Samsung has this plastic, guys, and not metal side. Let us see for the more. It opens the box, and we have some stickers side, and quick start guides and some paperwork. We have 3000 mAh battery. It's removable, guys. Nice. We have a charger, and the rating is 5 per 1 charger. There is not fast charger. And the micro USB to USB cable, and it's charger, and it's not in your style, guys. Should mention this side. Let's see the device now. Stress. Device stress. Let me give a physical overview. On the top we have nothing, and it's plastic, guys. In this side we have volume, power on off button. Side we have 3.5 headphone jack, my main microphone, USB Type C port. We have volume routers, and on front side we have, please zoom it up. We have a flash, earpiece, some sensors, and a camera. And we have physical buttons like menu, back, and home button. We can open this test. Let me just zoom it down. Open the battery. Open this, and it's plastic, guys. It's put in, and it's proper dual SIM, guys. You can add first SIM, my micro SD card, and secondary SIM. Open the battery, guys. Finished. And here's 13MP front camera, LED flash, and speaker. Let's put it on. And it gives me haptic feedback. Let me wait a minute as it unlocks the device. It's opening, guys. Let me take a second for this, and it has open, guys. It's normal device. Open like this. Open, guys. Now let's, and it's typical Samsung UI, guys, not special. And they also miss the UI, some downloaded, and also miss the auto brightness. They must have put this in device, some tutorials. And it opens like this, guys. Scroll just up, and get to start toggle. Let's go to settings. Let's check the Android version. Goes about phone, and it's Samsung model J4. Software information, it uses Samsung experience for version and Android Oreo of the bots. It tries under Oreo. So all things about this test, and they sold in via Flipkart for 10,000. Let's check the camera of this. Keep this camera is open, guys. Cancel it. Check the camera. It's nice, guys. Certainly, it's nice. It has some beauty panorama, night, and many others. Let's dip it in auto. Stitch some samples. See the sample stress. Nice trimness. Nice video. Nice photo, guys. Let's go back. And let me show some bits about this so you can get a better idea. This is it to today's guys. Some unboxing of Samsung Galaxy J4